Ready ka na ba mag-invest kaya lang hindi mo alam paano mag-umpisa? If that's the case, panoorin mo tong video na to dahil tuturo ko sa inyo ano ba yung pinakamabilis at saka pinakasimpleng paraan kung paano mag-umpisa mag-invest. Before we get started, I just want to say that nothing I say is considered financial advice and I'm just doing all of this for information and entertainment purposes only. And please do your own research. Unang-una, why do we invest? Importante na nag-i-invest ka ng pera mo habang maaga pa para lumaki yung value ng mga assets mo. Kasi pag iniwan mo lang siya as cash, bumababa ang halaga ng pera mo. Kaya importante mag-invest in assets like stocks. Next, where should you invest? Ako marirecommend ko sa inyo is to invest in the US stock market and for several reasons. Unang-una, it's better to be able to hold US dollars. Kasi alam naman natin that it's the global reserve currency at it holds its value kumpara sa mga iba't ibang mga currencies. Mas maganda yung value ng US dollar kaysa sa Philippine peso. Another reason is that the US stock market is a big market. So very liquid siya. Maraming pera pumapasok doon. That also means mataas ang trading volume niya. Maraming trades going in and out. And also, marami kang choices ng mga stocks na pwede mong bilhin. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do you invest in the US stock market from the Philippines and being a Filipino? Ngayon, marami ng mga apps that allows you to invest in the US stock market from the Philippines. Ang ginagamit ko mismo is Rockflow app. The reason I use Rockflow is because I want an app na mabilis gamitin at simpleng gamitin. And when I tried Rockflow, I was actually impressed at how easy it was to use. Kaya yun ang ginagamit ko. I'll share with you guys my link if you want to use Rockflow. So this is what you do. To be able to trade in the US stock market, all you have to do is open an account with a trading app like Rockflow. Next, deposit money into the account that's going to be converted into US dollars. Pag na-convert na siya to US dollars, you're ready to start investing. Okay, so this is the fun part. How do we pick a stock? When buying stocks, my recommendation is to pick companies that you're familiar with. Huwag kang bumibili ng mga kumpanya that you have no idea what they do, how long they've been around, familiar ka ba yun, kilala mo ba yung brand na yan o hindi. You should really pick mga stocks or companies na familiar ka or nagagamit mo. And pick companies that are big companies that have been around for a while. So ano ba yung mga kumpanya that you're familiar with? Think about it. Like for example, Apple, Tesla, or mga car companies, or companies that we use every day. Amazon, Google, yung mga ganyan, Facebook. So those are companies na familiar tayo with and those are easy investments because alam naman natin that they're fairly future-proof eh. And that's what makes them a safer investment that has the potential to grow in the future. Now, may mga iba sa atin, we need more help in picking a stock and we don't know how to pick a stock. My recommendation is actually, pumunta ka sa Rockflow app, meron sila dun na feature called Trade GPT. Trade GPT is an AI-powered investment tool na pumipili ng mga stocks based on all the data out there on a particular company. Tapos a-analyze sila yan, tapos bibigyan nila sa'yo yung kanilang rekomendasyon. Dahil it's AI-powered, it's going to have a lot more information and be able to analyze the information better than us humans can. Okay, now I'm going to give you guys a simple investment strategy that works flawlessly. Unang-una, set a goal. Maglagay ka ng goal kung magkano ang gusto mong ma-earn in 1 year. So, from there, sabihin natin, for example, ang goal natin in 1 year is to have $1,200 invested. So, that means we're going to be investing $100 a month. In pesos, that's 5,600 pesos per month. Ngayon, pwede mo namang i-adjust yung amount din depende kung magkano ang sweldo mo buwan-buwan. If you're somebody that earns about 50 to 60,000 a month, you can invest about 5,000 to 6,000 in the stock market. Ngayon, kung ang sweldo mo is about 20 to 30,000 pesos per month lang, pwede ka naman mag-start with 2 to 3,000 pesos per month. But for the sake of this video, ang gagamitin natin example is $100 a month or 5,600 pesos per month. Now, once you've set your goal for the year, what you have to do now is make a commitment and be consistent. Ibig sabihin nun is that on every payday, ilalagay mo na that you're going to be investing $100 at the start of every month. And do not miss it no matter what. And make sure that you check it off every month when you've made your investment. And make sure to be disciplined enough to be consistent. Yun yung pinaka-importanting key dito consistency. Now, I know what some of you are thinking paano kung umiba yung presyo by the time you buy again? That's called dollar cost averaging. So it doesn't matter what the price is, basta every month at a certain time, bumili ka lang. Whether the price goes up or it goes down, bumili ka lang. Kasi after 1 year, mag-a-average naman yung presyong yan. And to complete the strategy, make sure to do this. Once you buy that investment, hold it. Kailangan hawakan mo lang yung investment na yan for a long term because time is on your side. Because most of these stocks, the longer the time is, the higher the value of these stocks. At yan ang isang investment strategy to make sure that your assets are now growing over time. So ngayon na meron ka ng investment portfolio, what's next? If you want to level up your investment game, you can start trading. Ang objective naman ng trading is to be able to earn a profit on a short-term basis. And here are my trading tips. Number 1, only trade 10 to 20% of your entire investment portfolio. So let's say for example, nakapaglagay ka na ng investment of $1,200. Ang ibig sabihin nun, you can now trade with $120 to $240 and keep it there. And keep the 80 to 90% in your long-term investments. Ngayon, the kind of trading I would recommend you do is called spot trading. Spot trading is basically buying and selling stocks. And the strategy is simple. Buy low and sell high. So kung binili mo yung stock at a price of $100, for example, tapos tumaas siya to $120, ibenta mo na and you've made $20. It's that simple. And to be able to decide kung anong stocks ang pwede mong bilhin on that particular day, gamitin mo yung Trade GPT at tignan mo kung bullish siya. Kasi at that point, alam mo that it's a good time to buy and you know that it means that the stock is most likely going to be going up. And you know that that's a good time to come in and be able to buy that stock. And after that, you can just wait for it to profit. Once it profits, you can sell it again. And then basically just repeat that cycle all over again. And this is the best and simplest way to be able to start investing. At ngayon na marunong ka na mag-invest at mag-trade, I would suggest that you increase your trading and investment knowledge by reading a lot of the materials on trading and maybe watching a lot of videos like this one and even taking some courses on investing and trading. And I also recommend you play around with the Rockflow app kasi ang daming pwedeng gawin dun For example, may copy trading dun where you'll pick a profitable trader and just copy their moves. You can also check yung mga iba't ibang mga investment lists that they have there under the Explore tab. And make sure to join the Rockflow Telegram group para dito makikilala mo yung Rockflow team para pag may tanong ka o kailangan mo ng tulong, they can give you the assistance you need and also meet other traders. And that's it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to para makapag-start ka na mag-invest. And I'll leave my referral link below and just type the referral code so that you can get started with your investments and trading. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to type it in the comment section below. This is Chris Tan and I'll see you guys on the next video.